Hello everyone, myself G. Ranjit Kumar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, SR University, Warangal. In this session, I would like to explain the DHCP server simulation in the computer networks. So DHCP server, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and this server will assign the IP configuration to the device when it is connected to the internet. On the internet, a particular device can be uniquely identified by using the IP address. So every device when it is connected to the internet, IP configuration details are essential. So those IP configuration details will be automatically or dynamically assigned by the DHCP server. So this IP configuration details includes IP address, subnet mask default gateway, and DNS information. And these can be assigned statically or manually and dynamically. In two ways, this IP configuration can be assigned. So in my previous video on router switch hub simulation, I explained how these IP configuration will be assigned to the system statically. But with the static allocation, there is a chance for the errors, and managing the IP address pool, the collection of IP address management will be difficult, and sometimes there is a chance for the errors. So that is the reason why this DHCP server is used to assign the IP configuration dynamically to the system when it is connected to the internet. For example, let us consider this network. So in this network, some end systems are connected, two PCs and two laptops are connected to this server. So whenever a system is connected, so automatically it gets IP configuration details from this server, because this is going to act as a DHCP server, and this server will automatically or dynamically allocate the IP configuration to the system that is connected to the internet. So by this manual assigning IP configuration can be avoided. So now here in this section, I would like to show you how this DHCP is going to be simulated. Okay. So for the simulation, I am using packet tracer. So in my previous video, I already demonstrated how to download and install the packet tracer. So this is your packet tracer interface. So here, first I am taking two systems, two PCs I am taking, and two laptops. Just click on this laptop and use this. So now next server, for the server, just for in the same end devices. So you can find here the third one. First one is PC, next one is laptop, and after that this is a server. Just you click this server and select it. Okay. And next you take one switch. How to take switch? Where you can find switch we discussed in my previous video, that is simulation of switch. So now you take this switch and select the switch and place here. So now connection, you click on this connection. So here in the orange color we have a symbol. You click this orange color symbol. So just connect these end systems and switch. So two PCs and two laptops I am connecting. Automatically it takes required wire. So switch takes some time to turn these orange color symbol into the green color symbol. So next coming to switch and server. So this is also connected. So now generally we assign IP address to each and every end device manually, that I showed you in the previous my videos. So but here we are not going to assign the IP address statically or manually. So this DHCP server is automatically assign IP address to all these end systems. So now you click this server. So here you can find desktop. So in the desktop IP configuration. So for this server, first we have to assign address statically. So we can take any address. In my previous videos, I have taken class A address 10.10.10.1. So here I am taking class C address just for a change. Different class of IP address I am using. Let us start with the 200. So 200 dot, so 0.0.1. You click on the next subnet mask, automatically you get subnet mask. So 200.0.0.1. So that is the IP address assigned to the server. So after that, just beside this desktop symbol, desktop tab, you can find services. So under the services, left side, you can find different services. So from which we are selecting DHCP. So DHCP default gateway, earlier just back I assigned one IP address to the DHCP server. So we write that same address in the default gateway, that is 200 dot, so 10 sorry 200.0.0.1, same address just back I assigned, same address I am writing here. So now you click this on button. Here you can find on radio button. You click this on, and below, whenever you click this on, here you can find the range. So here you can write sub 200.0.0.0 to subnet mask 255.255.255. So after that, here you click this save. So save means this, whatever the default gateway is given, that will be saved here. Okay. So now once it is over, just you simply close this. Now all symbols turned into green color. So now look at these systems. I set IP address for only this DHCP server, not for these end systems. So what, these end systems will get the address automatically from the server. So let us check whether address has been assigned automatically or not. So first you click this first PC. Now go to the desktop and IP configuration. So by default, it is static selected. If you want to assign the address statically, so then you can select this. But here in this example, DHCP server will automatically assign the IP address. That's why you click this, select this DHCP. Just wait for a minute. So automatically here you are getting IP address. So what is this IP address? So 200.0.0.2. Automatically first system got that IP address. So we haven't assigned any IP address. Okay. So next close this. So likewise, you select the second system, go to the desktop, IP configuration, select the DHCP. And here 200.0.0.3 has been assigned to the second system. So likewise, you check all end systems. So this is 4 assigned. So next one, desktop and DHCP. So this is 5 assigned automatically. IP address assigned. So this is 200.0.0.2. This is 200.0.0.3. This is 200.0.0.4. And this is 200.0.0.5. So automatically these 4 addresses have been allocated to these systems. We haven't assigned manually. So that is the functionality of this DHCP server. So now let us check whether these systems are connected properly or can communicate to each other. So in order to check that, so one way already we discussed in my previous videos, just you take this PDU, click on the first system and source system and destination system. So that will be automatically transferred to the destination. So before that, if you want to check whether the destination is reachable from the source system or not, so we have a command called ping command. So using the ping command, first we can check that whether it is reachable or not. So let us take this system. I am taking this as a source. This is a source and this is a destination. So already we checked the addresses. So this system address is 200 dot so 0 dot 0 dot 4. Okay. So whether this destination is reachable from here or not, this. So you click this first system and go to the command prompt. Here you select the desktop. Here go to the command prompt. So in the command prompt you can type ping ping and destination address. So destination address is 200.0.0.4. So now press enter. So here you can find loss is 0. So loss is 0. Four packets sent from source to destination, and again source received 4 packets from the destination. That means destination is reachable from the source. Okay. So here you can find loss 0. Loss 0 means no packets have been lost. So these two systems are reachable. That means they can communicate to each other. So now you take a PDU here on top of the screen. Here you can find PDU. Select the PDU. So click on the source system and click on this destination. So now we have simulation here and play the button and check it. So now this PDU I am sending from the source to the destination. So source to the destination, it has reached, it has passed and reached at the destination. So in this way, so DHCP server is used to assign the IP address automatically or dynamically to the system. So there is another way to check the whether IP configuration is assigned to the system or not. So just you select the system and go to the command prompt. So here you can type ipconfig, ipconfig and press enter. So here also we can find this is IP address assigned and subnet mask is assigned. So default gateway assigned. So total information like IP address, default IP configuration will be displayed here. So in this way also we can check the IP configuration of the system by using the command ipconfig. So this is the way in which this DHCP is going to dynamically allocate the IP configuration to the systems. So I think this video is informative for you. So thank you for watching my video.